First up, we have the Brother XM2701. This machine is a favorite among beginners and experts alike, thanks to its user-friendly design and versatile features. It comes with 27 built-in stitches, including decorative, quilting, and heirloom stitches. Plus, it has a one-step auto-size buttonhole function, making it easy to create perfect buttonholes every time. The Brother XM2701 also includes 6 quick-change sewing feet and an automatic needle threader, which saves you time and frustration. Next on our list is the SewingAcademy 1304. This machine is perfect for beginners who are just starting their sewing journey. It features 6 built-in stitches and a 4-step buttonhole, providing enough variety for most basic projects. The SewingAcademy 1304 is lightweight and portable, making it easy to take to sewing classes or move around your home. Its durable metal frame ensures it can handle your sewing needs for years to come. Coming in third, we have the SewingAcademy 2212. Known for its reliability and ease of use, this machine is great for both beginners and more experienced sewers. The SewingAcademy 2212 offers 12 built-in stitches and a 4-step buttonhole. It also features a free arm for sewing cuffs and sleeves, and a drop feed for free motion quilting and sewing. Its straightforward design makes it simple to operate, even for those new to sewing. Our fourth pick is the Brother CS6000i. While it's slightly more expensive than the other machines on our list, it's packed with features that make it well worth the investment. The Brother CS6000i includes 60 built-in stitches, 7 styles of one-step buttonholes, and a wide table for larger projects. It also has an LCD screen for easy stitch selection and an automatic needle threader. This machine is perfect for those who want to take their sewing skills to the next level. Finally, we have the SewingAcademy 2277. This machine combines classic design with modern features, making it a great choice for any sewer. It offers 23 built-in stitches, including essential, stretch, and decorative stitches. The SewingAcademy 2277 also features an automatic needle threader, adjustable stitch length and width, and a one-step buttonhole. Its heavy-duty metal frame ensures it will provide stable and consistent sewing for years. And there you have it, our top 5 sewing machines under $200.
This is it for this video. If you want to boost your sewing business with highly effective organic marketing techniques, check out my organic marketing guide for sewers. It contains over 80 tailored strategies made specifically for sewers. And using just a few of these techniques can drastically increase your sales. The guide is only $5 and the link is in the description of this video. Thank you and see you in next one.